All welcome back to the channel. I have researched more than 50 banks in order to find out what is the best interest rates into the market for the savings account. You can take the advantage of incredibly high interest rates available into the market. I will share at the end of the video how you can earn 3.75% annual percentage yield just parking your cash into a savings account. Here are my top 5 picks that you can also take the advantage of. In the next few minutes, I will summarize what I researched and learned so you can get up to speed and you can also take the advantage of my research that I have. When you open up a savings account and you want to stash your cash, you should consider 3 big things. Number 1, you want to make sure that the bank and your money is safe and insured by FDIC. Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, which is known as FDIC, it's an independent agency created by the government for the public confidence. So you want to make sure that your money is secured by FD and insured by FDIC. Second thing, you want to also take care and note of the competitive yield or the high interest rates as you call it. And number 3, you want to make sure that there are no restrictions and the other benefits and the perks that the banks are offering that you can take the advantage of. There are 3 types of banks. Number 1, that your big box banks, well-known names, you see that they have banking centers, you drive, you can figure out, you can talk to their customer service. Number 2, there are so many online banks today and they're offered by many major well-known corporations and financial institutions today into the market. And number 3 is small banks and credit union. Each of these segments have their own benefits, own pros and cons. Here we go. Number 1, the bank I have on my list, number 1 is Capital One. I love Capital One and you can get the advantage because they have so many banking centers across the United States. Their 360 performance savings account is offering 3.440% annual percentage yield within the savings account, which is a superior annual percentage yield that can earn you a lot more money. Just you can park your money and earn the higher interest rates. The benefit there is no fees, no minimum balance, no monthly or maintenance fees that you will be paying, and there is no minimum to open the account as well, which means you can open up an account with $0 just to start with. You can also track your savings on the go using their banking application. The mobile application offers easy account transfer, which means you can move your money between linked accounts within the Capital One accounts as well as the external bank accounts. There is also automatic saving plan to keep your online savings account growing with the automatic transfer. There are multiple accounts you can also keep with Capital One using these features to create multiple performance savings accounts to track your financial goals. Lastly, you can get the mobile check deposits as well, which means you can deposit checks almost anywhere at any time and however you like. All you need to do is just take a picture of your check on your phone and you can make the deposit. The second one I have on my list is Discover Savings Account. This savings account can earn you a very high interest rate of 3.50%. The benefit of this Discover is you can earn the interest over 5 times than the national average savings accounts. You can also use Zelle for this online savings account and there is no monthly maintenance fees. There is no minimum to open an account. So you can also open an account with Discover online savings account with $0 to begin with, which is they also have 100% US based customer service that is available 24/7. So they're just a phone call away. And there's no monthly balance requirements as well. This savings account that stands apart than many other financial institutions is right here. You can earn 3.5% interest rates. There is compounding and paid interest daily and monthly. There is no monthly minimum fees. There is no fee for the insufficient funds as well. You can open the account with the $0 balance and your interest earning could be as high as $524.95 for $15,000 that you put into your account. I also wanted to point out this particular calculator that allows you to calculate compound interest rates. I'll put this link into the description below so you can take the advantage of this as well. Let's say if you want to put $20,000 into your savings account and you want to invest this money and save this money into this savings account for 2 years. You are earning, let's say, 3.5% interest rates as I just showed you. And there is no additional contribution either. So how much money you will be getting at the end of 2 years, which is 24 months, based on the monthly compound interest. Now take a look right here. The total interest that you'll be earning in next 2 years is $1,447.98 with your principal amount of $20,000. So your estimated total at the end of 24 months is going to be $21,447.98. So there are easy ways as to how you can figure out how much money you will be having at a given time. Now, the third one on my list is LA Bank. I like this bank. They are offering 3.40% annual percentage yield for all of their balanced tiers. It is saving smarter, faster than ever, which is what LA Bank is going to enable you for. You can also call their customer service 24/7, that they're just a phone call away. Also, you want to make sure what they can offer you. What sets them apart is you can use their saving buckets to organize your money and visualize what you're saving for. You can also set up boosters to optimize and maximize your savings based on the tiers and the interest rates, even if the interest rate changes after you open an account. The third thing is you can make the new priorities arise and you can get personalized recommendations. You can also use Zelle, which is one of the bigger benefits that you can get out of this account. You can organize your buckets, and one thing that you also want to note is this bank has been into the business for a long period of time and they have pretty high customer rating. The fourth bank on my list is Barclays. The disadvantage of this account is you cannot use Zelle. However, they're offering higher than any other bank's interest rates. We have seen 3.4, 3.5%. Barclays online savings account is offering 3.6% annual percentage yield. Their yield is pretty consistent, some of the highest rate in nation. Plus, you will also get these great features. Now, what are the features? You can have 24/7 online access to your fund because this is an online savings account. I already mentioned to you that you cannot use Zelle. However, you can use online transfer from and to within the account. You can also make direct deposit to make it easy and simple. There is no monthly maintenance fees. There are no minimum balance account requirements either, which means you can open a savings account with $0. And there are tools at bank and their mobile applications are offering that you can take the advantage of. The fifth one on my list is SoFi. Now, one of the disadvantages of SoFi is you need to have the direct deposit set up. However, if you set that up, you can earn up to 3.75% interest rates APY. I told you I'll show you a way how you can earn 3.75% APY within your savings account, which means your money is still liquid. You can get access to your money anytime you want. However, this is an online bank, so you are not expected to just walk into a banking center and get the cash. Make sure that you are considering that. You can get paid up to 2 days early. You pay no minimum account once you set up the direct deposit, so there is no account fees or overdraft fees, and you can earn cash up to $250 when you sign up and set up the direct deposit, which is the offer going on from SoFi. You can sign up, you can get $250, and on the top you can also earn 3.75% APY. Now, what you can do with, there is no account transfer fees. There's up to 2 days early paycheck once you set up a direct deposit. Feel the magic of payday up to 2 days earlier automatically when you set up direct deposit. There is cashback and close to home, which means you can get up to 15% cashback at local establishment when you pay with your SoFi debit card. You can also earn up to 3.75% APY, which is members with the direct deposit, they're earning that interest rates. On the top, 2.50 API on their checking balances as well. There's no fee overdraft coverage, which means overspend by accident, no problem, you'll be covered up to $50 with no fees qualifying on the direct deposit. And the last one is automatic saving features, which organizes your money, sets the saving goals, and saves your change with vaults and roundups. So you want to take the advantage of this as well. I hope you like this video. Once again, to recap, the first account on my list is Capital One 360 Performance Savings Account that offers you 3.4% APY. The second one is Discover, offers you 3.5% APY. Both of these you can use Zelle to transfer the money from you to someone else or from you to you using their mobile app. The third account on our list is the LA Bank, which is offering 3.40%. But fourth one on the list you want to remember is Barclays. You're still unable to use Zelle for Barclays, but if you already have an account with Barclays and you want to take the advantage of their savings account, this is the best option. The last but not the least on our list is SoFi. One of the cons of using SoFi is you will need to set up the direct deposit, but you can earn the best interest rate into the market, 3.75% compared to 3.4, 3.5, or 3.6% that I just shared with you previously for other banks. The last thing I want to really touch upon, while our interest rates are pretty high, we see the mortgage rates through the roof. Right now, we are seeing the mortgage rate for jumbo loan 5.37%, and this is from Wells Fargo for the reference. Now, you can get 15-year fixed rate mortgage of 5.62%. For 30-year fixed rate mortgage, you can get it at 6.5%. However, if you want to really know more about mortgage rates and how you can save a ton of money on your mortgage, write down in the comments section below. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.